Welcome back to my channel, y'all. We finally have a video for those of us who are locked or thinking about locking our hair. So you're looking at my little brother's hair. He's been locked for 5 or almost 5 months. I started him on finger coils. This video will focus on how to retwist it when it's time. So I went ahead and washed his hair. Obviously, I didn't do any combing or detangling, so each lock is still within its parts. Starting row by row, I'm going to retwist each lock. Being able to identify each row and each lock gets easier as your locks mature and as time goes on. In the beginning, it's a little difficult, but you'll be able to do it. So I've been using Jamaican Mango and Lime locking gel to retwist his hair. This is the color and consistency of it, so do not get it confused with their locking wax, which I've been told don't use wax for locks because of the buildup. So anyways, apply a little bit of it to the root of the lock, and then I'm just going to use the fine tooth comb to comb his root, so that'll smooth it. And also, you see the way it doesn't go all the way through to the end like that. That's very good. It's a sign that his hair is locking up. So the comb is combing all the shed hair to the end of his lock to help it tangle together. So I just use my fingers to twist it like I do on my finger coil video, and once it's tight enough but not too tight, I take a clip to clamp it down so it'll dry like this. Alright, and that is the gist of it. So I just repeat multiple times until I've done all of his locks. So that's applying the product, combing it through, retwisting, and clamping. When I do 2, I clamp them together, so the next 2 I'll clamp together as well. There's many different ways that you can lock hair and retwist it. So this is just one method, and this is very similar to the comb coil method. It's just that I'm not using a comb, I'm using my fingers. What you see me doing in that last one though is using my hand. So there's also this palm rolling method. I see people do it 2 different ways. So there's another way that people do it versus what you're going to see me doing. But anyways, pay attention to my hands. On his longer locks, this is what I do to help retwist it. Ultimately, there's not much of a difference between using my fingers or my hands. Thing is, with my palms, it's a little bit faster. I do 2 rows and I'm done. So I guess the more I get practice with this, the faster I'll get. Same for you. It takes me about, pretty long to do his hair, a few hours, and it's because his locks are small also. So if you have less locks, it should not take too long. Otherwise, try not to put so many locks in y'all head. Okay, so we're coming up on the final section of his hair. This row has 5 locks in it. I'm going to show you the process 2 more times, even though at this point in the video you're probably realizing, okay, I got it, this is easy, this is simple. So if you got it down already, good. If not, I have you watch me do it over and over again because I know repetition helps. Once his hair is dry and all the clips are out, this is the final result. So this is what your retwist will look like. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down below in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.